All right, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, afternoon, wherever you're connected from. I have a very short importation or important information for you. Maximizing three-in-one financial solution. Write it down. Maximizing three-in-one financial solution. I have a solution for you on our platform that are going to help you exploring the global financial market in three dimensions. First, passive. Second, active. Third, leverage, or what we call residual. So how do we achieve that? Now I'm going to show you how to achieve that. So passive, active, and residual. So I'm not blabbing. I'm just trying to let you know the opportunity you have. Three-in-one financial solution. What do I call it? Three-in-one financial solution. First, passive. Second, active, and third, residual. Now quickly look at it. I just want to share this with you quickly. Please don't worry, it's not going to take too much of your time. Now, exploring the global financial market in three dimensions. So we said the security issues you are talking about is no longer funny. So the shift in this strategic failure is when you have a single local income strategy. And now the best place you can decode wealth from geographical, turn global chaos into personal leverage. It's only from the global financial market. But there's something make it more possible right now. It's called the internal asset architecture, mindset, skill set, and tool set. Now, if that's the case, so we have opportunity for you to navigate and maximize the new economy, to stay afloat in economic uncertainty, all right, geopolitical war, and AI contention with human capacity. Now, I wouldn't want to go too much. Now, with no risk associated with when it has to do exploring global financial market, be aware of that. Now, there are three dimensions we're going to show you how this money is being made. We have passive, we have active, we have residual. I'm going to be privileged to show you majorly on the passive and active. Perhaps if I have time, I go to the residual. Now, solution available right now. What makes this solution available is called the power of AI. The power of AI, remember, say, AI-powered copy trading is poised to become the massive business in both Forex and cryptocurrency, evolving from the niche tool into standard component of retail and national trading by 2026, which we are. It represents the next logical step in the evolution of trading, shifting from manually following experts to using AI to select, monitor, and diversify among the best providers. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it is said to be that AI have dominated about 65% trading volume in crypto. Then what's remaining? Forex said to be dominating up to 89% of forex trading. Then what's remaining? Okay, so here are why we want you to take advantage of opportunity we have for you. So follow me quickly, and I'm going to take you to a dimension. Passive, active, and residual. Now, what make it possible? We have a solution to make this possible, but I want to show you some things. Right now, we have solutions. All right, I'm going to share my page with you, and then you follow through. Let's quickly go and look at some opportunity make it possible, right? And I'll show you some kind of perhaps what's happening already. All we do in our ecosystem is to wake up to see that money has been paid. Yes, you hear me right. Now I'm going to share my empty file with you if you're familiar with trading. Now this account of $200. Now two trades have been taken today. Look at them. I'm sure you can see them. This one and this one. All together have make about $4, $0.3, $4.03 today. So that means we have made money today, ladies and gentlemen, without lifting fingers. I'm not joking, I'm not blabbing. Money has been made today without lifting fingers. If you pay $10, you can make that. Let me show you another account that is more higher than this, which is about $5,000 account. Now, look for a $5,000 account. The same trade, the same time, the same strategy, the same tool, the same market, but different participation. Now, where I'm making $4 on 200 account, this is $5,000 account has made $102 today. You can do your plus and minus and know how many percentage it has done. That should be more than 2%, if we're not mistaken. If you think I'm lying, you can take that to calculate it by yourself. Is it up to 2%? That should be more than 2% if you're not careful. So let's quickly look at it. That should be around 2%. So $5,000 multiplied by 0.02. So $100 is a 2%. So this is more than 2%. So let's call it 2%. So 2% is already made. 2% of what? That's where the question comes. 2% of $200 give us about $4 plus, or $4. 2% of $200 give us about $4. But 2% of $5,000 give us about $100. Let's guess what? If I need money and I want to withdraw this money now, I take it out and then I've made my money. Now, can I tell you, we didn't touch this. It's not me that trade it. Now, and I told you about passive active solution. Now, this platform didn't talk about this. Now, this platform now say, okay, we know the problem of people, no enough funding. That's why we amplify account. You must have had about 12x amplification. Now, our community have access to 24x. That's a story if you want to know more how we leverage on that. Now, I've shown you how we leverage on AI. I'm not the one trading. Now, this account was funded. Look at it. Let me show you this account. This account is just about a month now and few days. And he has made total money of about $1,725. And which account was funded when? On the 1st of last month, 1st of April to 30th or 1st of May, make it 1 month. So additional 1 day traded that we have about how much? That we have about $1,725, ladies and gentlemen. So don't play. This is a very fantastic opportunity. You leave no fingers. Last month, we did average of about 30 to 32%. Now, taking our profit, net profit, gave us about average of about 21 to 22% as net profit. So meaning that if you have $1,000, now 21 to 22% is with $210, $220 on what you do nothing, you don't lift fingers. And that's one of the powerful things we have for you as an opportunity. Now, outside that, you are a trader, you love how to trade. You agree with me that education to learn how to trade is not easy. You have to pay. Then outside that, you need support system. Now, our platform equally give you a support system. When you come into this platform, you have access to Signal. Look at it. This is called free tag Signal. What do you see now? People have taken money today. Today is 4th, 70 pips, 180 pips, and what? Another pips, 110 pips. Okay, you probably wouldn't be able to see this because of public library. You want to have access to it. We're going to show you how that actually works. Now, another thing we have seen, we have what we call scanner. Now, that's going to help you to make money. If you're a trader, you say, Felix, I don't like all of those things you are saying. Now, guess what? We have a scanner that you can subscribe to, and then we can teach you. But I'm just showing you this if you are the type that love to trade by yourself. Look at it. This is a sell, all right? We have taken profit. Look at gold. This is gold. Gold was selling and at a point bouncing back again because it got a very nice reversal. I was telling some persons that it was going to sweep liquidity. It has swept the liquidity. Gold is already buying powerfully. And that's why we have a trade that was running must have reduced in profit. Now, but this is the point. You don't struggle to trade here. You don't struggle with making profit. You have all solutions available for you to make money. Do you see that? So trade is still running. Look at gold, what's the remaining fraction and all of that. Now, what I'm showing to you is not to blab you, it's to show you that solution is available. You have access to free AI solution. You have access to amplify funding, and then just sleep and wake up and you are seeing profit rolling into your account. So if a $5,000 account now, for instance, $100 is already done today. And then so if you pick 70% of it, you should know how much that's about $70. So it's withdrawable. You want to do anything with it, right? $70 will be over $100,000, more than local minimum wage of my own country. And those are the things that we have seen. And then where we help people to maximize this opportunity. Now, I'm not here to tell you story. Let me show you how this platform actually trade and give you this profit. Many of us will be, how come? What part of platform is this? And quickly just watch this clip. And as you watch and you are interested, you can inbox whoever that sent you this video and ask him to get how you can get started. So stay full and then watch how you can trade with this or how you can make your passive income with this platform. So stay connected as I put you through now on how to take advantage or how this trade actually happens. So watch this clip and enjoy yourself. Thank you very much. All right, so quickly, it's coming up for you to watch and understand how this solution, AI Tech brought this Sonic AI that trade for us.
Hello, everyone, and welcome. In this presentation, we'll walk you through the Sonic AI trading strategy, a fully transparent AI-supported gold trading system with a verified track record and a strong focus on risk management. Let's begin by looking at the core performance. On this slide, you can see the key performance metrics of the strategy. We are looking at cumulative return of 21.20%, average monthly return of 1.17%, maximum drawdown of just 0.86%, and a win rate of approximately 80%. Now, two of these numbers are especially important. First, the maximum drawdown. This key metric reflects how risk is managed. A drawdown below 1% over a 16-month period shows a risk profile that seeks capital preservation. Second, the win rate. Maintaining around 80% consistency over 16 months is a strong indicator of a stable and disciplined strategy. And importantly, this is not short-term performance. This is 16 months of verified live trading data. Here, we see one of the strongest aspects of the strategy. 16 consecutive positive months. Every single month, from November 2024 through February 2026, closed in profit. Monthly returns consistently range between approximately 0.5% and 1.7%, with no negative months recorded. This level of consistency in our trading strategy shows a favorable performance over the last 16 months. Behind every successful strategy, there is a professional team. The Sonic AI trading team brings over 15 years of experience in financial markets, managing capital for private investors, family offices, institutional clients. The structure includes 1 lead trader, 2 supporting co-traders. Together, we combine experience, data, and advanced tools to maintain performance and risk control. Before going public, our strategy was tested privately, ensuring it was fully optimized before being offered to investors. Transparency is a key pillar of this strategy. Every trade is public, trackable, independently verified. Through MyFXBook, you can see entry and exit points, trade duration, full performance history. Over 329 trades, with approximately 87% positive trades, and an average trade duration of less than 15 minutes. This level of transparency allows anyone to verify our past and current results in real time. The strategy is accessible through the Copix copy trading platform, operated by Tag Markets, a regulated broker based in Mauritius. This ensures strong execution, liquidity, and scalability. This means your account automatically mirrors every trade. No trading experience is required. No manual intervention is needed. You can connect in just a few steps and the system handles everything. Important to note, you keep 70% of the profits. A 30% performance fee is only charged when profits are made. No subscription or management fees. This is where the model becomes unique. There are 2 account types. 12x account, your capital is amplified 12 times for trading purposes. Example, $10,000, $120,000 trading capacity. Drawdown limit, 10%, 24x account, amplification of 24 times for trading purposes. Example, $10,000 plus token value, $240,000 trading capacity. Drawdown limit, 5%. Leveraging your capital in this manner can potentially lead to higher returns. However, it also involves increased risks, including the possibility of losing all your deposit. In other words, with an amplified account, returns may be higher, but risk is increased too. There is a 30-day capital lock of the original deposit amounts. However, profits can be withdrawn at any time. Here are illustrative examples based on our historical performance. For example, since November 2024, a $10,000 deposit on a 12x account would have generated approximately $600 monthly net. On a 24x account, this could have been around $1,200 monthly net. These figures are based on real historical data, but always remember, past performance does not guarantee future results. Risk management is a critical part of this strategy. Trading risk, 12x account closes at 10% drawdown. 24x account closes at 5% drawdown. To reach this, 12x would require around 68 consecutive losses. 24x would require around 34 consecutive losses. In 16 months of live trading, the maximum ever recorded was only 2 consecutive losses. Broker risk. Like any financial institution, there is always risk. However, mitigation factors include regulation, segregated accounts, professional risk management strategy. Risk. There are no guarantees in trading. Market conditions can change, and performance may vary. This is why it is essential to only use capital you can afford to lose. Let's look at another real example. Initial capital, $400,000. Net profit, approximately $295,000 over 5.5 months. Average monthly return, around 13.4% net. This is a real verified account, showing how the system performs in practice. Before we conclude, an important reminder. Trading involves risk, and you can lose part or all of your capital. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Only use capital you can afford to lose. Always make informed decisions and seek professional advice if needed. Thank you for taking the time to review the Sonic AI trading strategy. We look forward to supporting you on your journey.
Okay, so you can see, I've told you I was not going to take much of your time and to show you this opportunity. And so this is massive. And you can agree with me that if you are leveraging on these AI, you're going to be enjoying money every day, every money, right? This is a powerful stuff that you cannot afford to miss. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't blab, I don't hype anything. I just like people to take advantage of opportunity and maximize it. So you have anyone who have invited you to this opportunity, kindly get back to the person, ask him for his link, get registered. Either you know anything about trading, forex, crypto, whatever, doesn't matter. You don't need to be technically savvy. All you need is register. Then if you need 24x, you have to ask the leader to give you a code. If you just register anyhow without a leader, a link, and all of that, yeah, you can apply for 12x. But for you to have 24x, you need to have this. And so other things can now follow. You can be added to the group where you can learn more to understand the opportunity. So thank you very much. Don't take time, no more blabbing, just to show you result, practical, and how we make money. Passive, active, and residual. If you don't want to trade by yourself, remove the active, passive, and residual. Okay, you don't want to share with people, don't want to maximize your social capital, you don't even want to borrow people's time, you don't want to leverage on people's time, and then all of that. Passive. At least if you have reasonable money, maybe you have $10,000, $20,000, $100,000, you know how much you'll be making. If you quantify it, $5,000 have made about $100 today. And now if it's about $50,000, that's 100 times 5 or times 10. Am I correct? So if it's 5,000, I make $100 today. Then if it's $50,000, so that means today, $50,000 will have made about $1,000 plus. So $100,000 will have made about $2,000. That's what it means. And just today alone. And so that's it. And that's what we have for you. Not blabbing. The broker is a verified registered broker. It's not an investment scheme. It's not a Ponzi scheme. If there's no trade, no profit. So it's not a platform you deposit your money, you're just seeing money coming every day, 0.1% every day or 1% every day. No, or from 0.5 to 2% every day. No, this is practical, this is real, this is raw, and this is direct. Can be verified. You can check my FS book to check Sonic AI.trade. Of course, you have seen the video and all of that. So thank you very much and do have a nice time and bye-bye. Get back to whoever sent you this video and let's get started. Thank you and do have a nice time. Bye.